This video will show you the quickest way to upload files to your Moodle course. The first step in adding a file to your course is turning the editing on. Click on the blue gear in the upper right hand corner and select Turn Editing On. You'll know that the editing is turned on because you will see edit links throughout the entire Moodle course. Moodle has a very simple and easy to use drag and drop feature which allows you to upload files to your Moodle course. You can see on the right side of my desktop I've got a Word document called Syllabus Generic Course Shell. To upload this into my course, I simply drag and drop the file into the bottom of any one of my sections. Since this is a syllabus file, I want it up at the top of my course, just below the announcements. If you have week-specific files you'd like to upload, you can scroll down to the specific week and drag and drop content files into any one of these weeks. If your file doesn't live on the desktop, just locate the folder on your hard drive where the file lives, and you can still drag and drop that file into your course. Keep in mind there's a 200 megabyte file size limit, so anything bigger than 200 megabytes you will not be able to upload into Moodle.